Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Somebody sent me this font, and they're having trouble making it a little bit thicker. This font is called Enter the Clown. Never heard of it before. So we're going to contour it, but they have a problem with the R, not contouring like the other letters to make it thicker. So we're going to go to Effects and Contour. We're going to contour the outside with rounded corners, 0.05. And it just did the inside of the R for some reason. So we're going to fix that. Let's tell you what, let's just back up. Let's go up to Object and break that apart. So now we have individual letters. I'm going to nudge that up. So I'm going to go ahead and do these. I've got to group them together for this to work, or do them individually. And I'm going to do the 0.05, and you can see that work perfectly. And then we go to Object and break the contour apart and grab that red line, and you can see you've got red down here. And there it is. Perfect. But if we do the R, it does that only. So here's a suggestion. Let's go 0.1 and see it did the inside and the outside. We really just want the outside. So we're going to go to Object, break the contour apart, grab that red, and let's move it over. We actually need to get rid of that inside part, so we're going to go and break the curve apart, and then we can delete that. Now, we wanted, these were 0.05, so now we're going to contour the inside, half that distance, and look at that. You know what, we do need the inside too. Wasn't thinking about that. So let's contour that. Too small. I need to go to the outside. And there we have the inside. So now what we can do is go here, break the contour apart, go here, break the contour apart, grab that red one and move it over there. Let's move it over twice and then get the outside contour. And then when we move that, that's a little too thick. Tell you what, let's do this. Oh, you know what? Maybe I should have used this one. There we go. There we go. So I had to use, I forgot what I was doing, the inside contour. Now it does mess with the R a little bit and makes it a little bit shorter leg. And you could, if that bothered you, you could fix it by taking your nodes and just, I'm not suggesting you need to do this, but you can change it up quite a bit. And then let's take it all, fill it in with, well, see, that's the trouble with that. So in this type of case, I would take my Smart Fill tool, and also better to get rid of the cut lines. And there you go. You've got a thicker font. Anyway, I hope that helped them a little bit. Thank you for watching.